Welcome to the JMT.
My people, I welcome una to this our news channel. Make una do what always dey follow us, like, share and subscribe so that una go dey know wetin dey happen for the country. On today news, Pastor Ize Iyamu don talk say he ready gidigba for Edo State 2024 governorship election. He talk say affliction shall not rise again the second time. He say he no dey winner before, no mean say this one so wey dey come he no go winner. Say he know say he go winner. He can talk many reasons wey make am no fair win the previous election wey they don do for the past. He come still talk say this one say na him get am. My people, he talk plenty things and the reasons why many people dey chook head to be governor. I wan play una the video make una hear am from the Aussie Smart wetin he get to talk concerning the previous election and this one wey dey come for 2024. Make una watch this video reach the end.
Candidate of this party in the past 4 years ago. Gentlemen and ladies, we did not win that election. Not because our party was not on ground. Not because the candidate, my humble self, was an unpopular candidate. We lost that election because our leaders outside the state chose to work against us. That is the truth. Let it be on record that we did not lose that election because PDP was more popular than APC or that their candidate was better than our candidate. We lost that election because some of our leaders, some of our governors chose to work against our party. That is what finished us in that election. Many of you know the details. Many of you know. Only yesterday, somebody told me a story I didn't even know. Where my deputy governor comes from, in Isako West. One of our APC governors brought money to be given to the deputy governor. So they took it to my deputy, Gani Audu. And the man said, Oga, the governor said before I give you, I should call so that I can talk to you. So he said, please call him. So he called. And Gani took the phone. Your Excellency, thank you very much. And the governor said, APC governor, is that Philip? I said, no, sir, this is not Philip. This is Gani Audu. What? Gani who? Gani? That's not Philip. Said no. Please give me back the phone. They gave it back. The next thing, the man started collecting the money. Said, sorry, Oga, mistake, not be here supposed to come. Our own governor, a day to election, sent money to be given to the deputy governor of PDP. Just to give you an example of how bad. If it was a private meeting, there are many more I would tell you. But it would be unfair for anybody to say that, oh, the candidates we had were not strong enough. We've been doing election and we know our results. What happened 4 years ago was a fluke. And by the grace of God, affliction will not rise up a second time. By this next election, we will win. Now, I understand the agitation. Everybody this time says they want to be governor. Edo Central wants to produce the governor. Edo North wants to produce governor. Edo South wants to produce governor. Our party in its wisdom, I've heard them say that there will be no zoning. And let me commend them for that decision. For me, they didn't do it out of wickedness or to favor any particular zone. But when you are in opposition, it's not the time you begin to say, let us zone. When you are in opposition, the only thing that you want, where will you get victory? Whatever you must do to win the election, win. When you have won and you are not in government, you can decide to say, let us favor here, let us favor there. I don't know whether I'm making any sense. So that is why the leadership of the party, for the wisdom, the word is said. But let me say that the real reason why we all want to be governor is because the government we have today is neither here nor there. Some people are saying, oh, Edo South has that governor. But I don't have to tell you which governor. Which governor? I come from Moriomo. I can tell you that if you are thinking we have enjoyed a governor, we have not. Moriomo is still in darkness. We have no water. There's no hospital. We don't have a bank. Tito for Wode, our sister local government, the same thing. And even in Oredo, that is the state capital, what is here? What has changed? So we appreciate that in Edo Central, there is nothing there. The only thing they have, the state university, has been totally messed up. We know. In Edo North, after one combined for Shomole did, there is nothing there. In fact, they have attempted to destroy the university there. But we thank God that it's still surviving. So what we want now,
DJ